How to fix create cutout sticker not showing on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here scroll down and find the Instagram application and tap on it. Now tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. Next, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the application further. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date, and if not, it would show update instead of open. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, then go ahead and completely delete the Instagram application from your device and then reinstall the application again from your app store and further launch the application, and you will no longer receive the same error. So this is how you can fix create cutout sticker not showing on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.